grab yourself some ripe bananas and let's make this delicious banana bread recipe. So to a bowl, I'm adding 3 overripe bananas and I'm just going to mash these down. Then I'm going to add a cup of sugar and whisk this into my mashed bananas. After that, you want to add 2 whisked eggs and once again whisk this into your banana batter. Then I'm going to add half a cup of milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for taste. Now to make my dry mix. So here in a small bowl, I'm adding 1.5 cups of plain flour. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And I'm just going to mix this all together into my bowl. Now to combine it, so you want to add your dry mixture to your wet batter bit by bit and just fold that into the batter. You want to continue to do this until you get a texture similar to what you're seeing here. So runny, but also not too runny. When you've got your batter to look like this, you want to grab a baking tray, spray some oil onto it and add in all of that delicious banana bread batter. Don't waste any of it. Take this away and bake it on 175 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Take a toothpick and do the toothpick test. Essentially, once you take your toothpick out, if it's completely dry, then it means your banana bread is ready to eat. Chop it up, serve it up, enjoy this delicious recipe. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.